Hi everyone, welcome to Kadi's Digital Marketing Product Review channel. Today we're going to review a product called Six Figure Secret. You probably are asking yourself, Six Figure Secret. So all the gurus of the affiliate marketing and online business always say that they are able to make 6 figures, 7 figures. So basically this product will show you step-by-step process on how to get there. Since this is the journey and the goal of everyone who wants to be successful in the online business. So this product was created by Robin, Dan, and Phil. So these guys came together and came up with this 6 figure secret product. So if this is something that you're interested in and you like to make 6 figures, just stick with me so that we can just go through the entire review. And another point, please just click on the description link so that you can just take up the product. But for now, let's just go to my bonuses. This is my bonus page. So let's just go to the bonuses that I have to offer. The first bonus is the Access JavaScript commission. So this is a bot. So probably asking yourself, let's say for example, you go to Instagram and there is this advert and you don't even know how they even got hold of your details and all that. So this is an automated bot that will follow you on Instagram and just basically suggest offers, like how it is currently on YouTube. There are offers that comes up as an ad. So this is something similar, but this will be on Instagram. So it's a bot that will help to follow traffic on Instagram. The second bonus is automatic page creator. We know that creating content is a bit tricky, so this WordPress automatic web page creator will help you to create pages on WordPress. The next bonus is accelerate your traffic with Bing. So this is similar to how Google Ads work, but this is on Bing, like your Microsoft, and this is not as highly expensive as Google Ads. So this tutorial will show you how to use Bing so that you can also drive traffic to your pages. The fourth bonus is Marriage Pro Graphics. So this also gives you the reseller's right to sell the product as your own and get 100% commission. And these are the bonus that are coming from the vendor. So if you are interested, I'll show you how to get hold of them and I'll also take you through the bonuses in the members area. So once again, if you're interested, just click on the red button. This will take you to the sales page, and from the sales page you should be able to enter your details, and once you've done that and made a purchase, you will be able to get your product on Warrior Plus. This is a Warrior Plus product, and Warrior Plus will send you an email with the login details. That is your name, that is your username and password, so that you will be able to access your product. So I think right now, if I can just take you through the actual, but first let's just go to the sales page, guys, so that we can just see what other guys saying about the product. They say unlock multiple passive income streams from free traffic. Even if you're brand new, you don't have to know everything and be a master. Even a newbie, this is newbie friendly, basically. That's what they are saying. So it also has testimonies from other people as to how they've benefited from using this product. If you are interested, you can just go through the sales page and read through for yourself. But for now, I just want us to go to the members area. So this is where the training happens, guys. So basically, Philip, Dan, and Robin take us through how we are going to set up this 6-figure secret, and also be part of the making money online team. So introduction, Philip takes you through what is 6-figure and how to go about it. He's currently a member of MFO, that is Jono's Armstrong Ministry training program. So this is kind of similar to how Jono also does his training, but theirs is far less in terms of the price. So but if you're interested, you can just under the members area, you can just go through it. and go through the training. So he introduces the product and also tell us how we can fast track into getting the 6-figure. So firstly, done for you product to start today. Let's just click on it. So this is where Robin takes you through the Groove funnels as to how you can set up the done for you pages. So this is step by step. This is comprehensive, so I went through it. So if you are interested, you can also just take up the product and go through it. So this is step-by-step process. And under the main training, you will get training as to how you can create your product. I know there's a lot of product out there, so this training helps you how you can also create your product and also be part of the people who are making it out there with product creation. So it tells you how to create, how to set up the main training. So the main training will be similar to what they have done. What they're showing us is basically what they have done. They are selling a product to us, so this will also help you to set up your own product and how to go about it, and step-by-step process on how to do that. So to show you how to create the main training, that is the members area, and creating the upsell. So you will have the front end price, which is the basic price that involves the training and the bonus. But then if you want to upgrade, I'll show you now what the upsell is all about. So I'll show you the details. So but this will give you step by step on how to do the upsells, how to go about it, how to do a welcome video, the same that Phil has done here, like under introduction, the welcome video. So they'll show you how to do that. And 3-step sales letter training, and how to build your site for free. So it has a lot of details, guys. Additional resource and training. So this is also shows you how to do done for you bonuses, how to set them up for your own product, like how they've done, and where to create high quality e-covers and logos, and also how to set up a sales page. So a sales page, it will be something like this. This is their sales page. This is what they've set up for us. So they'll show you when you create your product, how you can go about creating your own sales page that will entice customers so that they can be interested in the product that you're selling them, and later that will lead into conversion so that they can take up your product. And the sales page will have the action button at the end, something like this, to say if you're interested, please click here for instant access. They will show you everything, how to set up the timer, all that is here in the sales page, like all the aspects that makes up a sales page, an interesting sales page that will at the end lead customers to buy and be interested in your product. You will get it under this training program. So as I've said, under my bonuses, these are the members bonuses that they will give you. So it's $1,000 day free training, and unfair advantage mindset, because we know that if you don't have a proper mindset in everything in life, it's not about online marketing or affiliate marketing. A mindset is the key. The right mindset will make sure that you are successful, because to be honest, guys, affiliate marketing in online business is not easy as other people make it look. It's not that easy. It needs you to be in the right framework of mind, and so that you keep on focusing, because there will be ups and downs. There will be days that you feel like, you know what, I just want to give up. But if you have the right mindset, definitely you will make it. It starts with the mind. It starts with what you think, and what you think that in terms of being successful, what is that all about? So this is what is in the members area. So now we'll go to the prices, guys. I'll just take you through the prices. Let's just see what will this product set you off in terms of the prices. Okay, cool. The first front end price, that is the basic price. The front end, it involves this training and the bonuses. But I just want to say that the bonuses will only be free during the launch period. Once the launch has passed, the bonuses won't be available. So that I just have to make that clear. So front end price is $12.95. So you get access to powerful 6-figure secret software and training modules. And I've taken you through the training, but if you want to go through the details, then you just have to buy yourself this product. So upgrade number 1, I just want to go back just a bit. So this is where Robin showed us ways that, okay, creating the upsells, right? So in this section, Robin will show you how to do this, basically how to create upsells, and what to include in the upsells, and all that information, all that content. So upsell number 1, the first upgrade is visually a done for you setup of your system. Customers get stacks of professionally created videos, social media posts, graphics, and more that you can customize in seconds and plug in. So you are given plugins so that you can customize for your campaign. And how these upsells will work. Upsell number 2 gives user the exact step-by-step method Robin and them followed to increase their revenue by 800%. Wow, that sounds interesting. Upsell number 3, traffic mystery, is this is all-in-one solution that delivers all the traffic anyone could ever need. So they've taken proven strategies from the highest earning marketers on the planet, applied to their business. So they're going to give you the secret so that you can apply it to your business also. And upsell number 4, unlimited traffic, allows you to put your pixels on our sales page and have a digital email list. So this will help you to build an email list, as we know that email list is the key to sell your offers and product. Upsell number 5, resellers right. This will give you the license right to sell the product and get 100% profit. So once again, if you're interested, this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're interested, click on the red button. This will take you to the sales page, and once you get to the sales page, you should be able to purchase the product. And this is a Warrior Plus product, as a Warrior Plus product, and they will send you the details. So guys, this is my 6-figure secret review. Thank you for watching my review, and I will be coming up with other reviews. Please just let me know what product you want me to review, as this is a fairly new channel, and I will be coming up with product reviews. And for me personally, I think this is worthwhile, considering that the front end price is only $12.95, guys, and they show you exactly how to create a product step by step. And we all know that affiliate marketing is, you can use other products to sell, you can use other existing product and offers that are available to create your campaigns using different traffics and channels. But if you have your own product, this is number 1 key of making it into a 6-figure marketer or 7-figure marketer. So if you can do that, you will be able to live your dreams. So it's worthwhile, and it's not bad in terms of the price. But anyway, that's my review. If you like what I've just reviewed for you, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel and comment. Until we meet again on another review. Thanks, guys.